Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Clone Engine 23. Um, Quick review my project of this armor. This is the new armor from Sin, by the way. The for the first Ranger Trooper, yes, from Synth, which is it has a camo pattern, camouflage. Yes, but this I custom this from the previous phase 1 Sin. Yes, into like this. Yes, it's a Barc Trooper shoulder pad, chest armor. I custom from this shape. This is not the same type, but it has this is the same shape. Before, after. Yes, this is pretty hard custom using only using cutter. Always be careful guys with a sharp tool. This is so hard. The reshape of from this shape into this shape. Yes, I using this two types of tool, which is a small saw for cutting the big shape, and then I using cutter for detailing. Yes, this is a little bit, it has a gap. Yes, I will fix this error. It has a gap. Look, it's supposed to be like this. Here we go. My just stay tuned on my channel. I will give you many idea. I have so many idea, just not enough time for me to make a video. Not much time for me to make a video. Just stay tuned on my channel. I have so many custom projects on the way. Don't forget to visit my other channel, Azot Combat. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram with the name Dimasweek23. Always guys, stay safe, God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes sir.